I'm going to show you how to create this effect, this PowerPoint presentation. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. So now let's go to Insert. Let's go to Shapes. I'm going to grab this rectangle. And here I have a preview image. I can also make this shape format, change shape, rounded. Can make this also rounded. Now duplicate slide and let's expand this something like this. Now click on the shape, go to Insert, Action, mouse over, hyperlink to slide to. Now when please press on your keyboard Shift plus F5, it goes to slide 2. Now what we want, we would like to go to slide number 1 if we are in slide number 2. So we can create a rectangle and we're gonna send this back. And now we can go to Insert, Action, mouse over, hyperlink to slide and slide 1. But we have now to copy this and paste it here and send back. And now let's see if it works. So we can go back and forth. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna right click on this and format shape. And here in fill, I'm gonna select picture or texture fill and we can add a image here. Now let's click here on insert from a file, so we're gonna add this picture from our computer, so make sure you don't want the image from here. So here we have the image. You can also use this and then select here center. You can also here decrease the transparency, but also you can change the image from here. Something like this. You also have these options here now, but now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna also add no line, and here in shape shadow, I'm gonna add some interior shadow and just maybe some this white. And now I'm gonna change this to, so right click, format shape, and here add a gradient, and here let's add something simple gradient, something like this, but that's too much of this. So now we're gonna have to first go to copy this, paste this here, send back, and now the next step we can go to this shape, go to insert, action, and mouse over, and we want hyperlink to slide to. And now when we click here in slideshow or F5, we can see that if we hover or just move our mouse over this image, now it turns into this shape, which is what we want. But maybe we want to go back, so we're gonna use this background. So I'm gonna select this, go to insert and action, and slide and first one. And now actually we can now copy this and send back. And for this one, we can format shape. And here I can insert from my computer an image. And now we have this transition, Shift plus F5. We can go back and forth. But I'm gonna have to just fix this background. Looks pretty weird and it's not really what I want. For this, we can use just a background maybe. And so I can, for this image, I can add the background maybe. So you can also add a gradient here, but it just has to be more the color I don't really like. But anyways, now what we're gonna do here is to actually select both of this and go to transition and add morph. And now let's press Shift plus 5, and we have this and if it doesn't work, I mean it works, but it's kind of not the best way. We can actually decrease the duration here to 15, apply to all, Shift plus 5, and let's try again. And now look at this transition that I think looks pretty nice. And you can add this to your presentation. Now it depends now how you will introduce this to your presentation, because there's many way to adapt this, what you learn, and adapt it and add it to your presentation. All right. Now, so of course, we can just change this to something else.